Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Gold Party company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, you can hire me in material through the link in the description. And we look forward with you working with you. So now I'm here with another Google Merchant Centric case. Case study, and in case if you need to Google Ads account restored, in case if your Google Ads account, Google Merchant Center is being suspended or Google Ads account is being suspended, we can help you. For Google Merchant Center, we specialize in misrepresentation, false statement, website or online store needs improvement, pharmaceuticals, drop shipping, or any other issues. We have a specialization in sorting out. As a Google partner company, we have a dedicated support to sorting out. So today I'm here with a case study. So I'm going to show you on step by step on how we got this Misrepresentation account approved on Google Merchant Center. So first of all, the account has two suspension errors. At the initial stage, the account has two suspension errors, and the suspensions are misrepresentation and website or online store needs improvement. So these are the things which are over there, or website or online store needs improvement and the web misrepresentation. They the first of all, the account was being called for misrepresentation, and after it the account went into the limited products, and then it was being shown to the website or online store needs improvement. So you can see over here that the account recently got approval from limited. First of all, it was in not approved, then got into the limited, and then from limited to approved. So I'm going to show you step by step on what we did. As far as thing is, each case is different, and we have so far done hundreds of Google Merchant case studies. And if you want to see the testimonials, where you can look around my YouTube channel, where we have ample of case studies on restoration Google Merchant Center account, and you can also look on my Upwork profile, and you can also hire a director as well. So yeah, let's get started. I created a file where I can show you over there as well. So yeah, this was I'm going to show you as well that these were the products like 2.64. You can see over here that they were starting disapproved over there, and then slowly went to the active as well. So first of all, this was the communication which we done through the Google, and they said that the account is being done in the misrepresentation policy. You can see over here as well, and that you can see over here that we are going to take the case on the validating. As a Google partner support, we have a dedicated support, and once we got this, we started our audit process as well. And you can see that this is one of the first audit which we did on the account, and we figured out some few things. Again, it's a teamwork, so I like to appreciate my team who worked hard with me along in this project. So I'm going to show you as well the website, so you can see around it as well. So you can see the website first. You guys have an idea on what they are selling. So you can see it's it's a clothing line store. You can see over here. So now let's move on to the first audit. Okay, so the team did, and they highly suggested, my team suggested, providing them testimonials, banner images. Both men and female should be different. There should not be any misrepresentation in the production. Like if you are having both images in the same products, like you have a dedicated product page and you are running both images of male and female, that creates confusion, and Google is very tricky in this. So we sorted out that, and then suggested three pages to be added: separate return and refund page, disclaimer, do not sell my information. While this, what we did was we also checked the website thoroughly for any other issues. Like we did the checkout. We what we did was like add testing out different products, even look around in the reviews. Sometimes if it's a blank category having no products, that can cause suspension. Sometimes it happens is like in footer, if you claim multiple payment methods and if they do not being present physically, that creates an issue. And also having a social media presence is also very very important for the website. So we created social media channels for this. And sometimes if the tracking number page is not working, order number page is not working, that can cause an issue as well. So checking out and all of the pages, doing sample tests, even looking around on the emails, the contact us page, the call number, support, everything, even the about us page. If anything, any issue over there, any generic issue over there, any content issue over there, which we look around, so like generic information, generic not copied, even broken links, working email, robots.txt file, sorting out images, descriptions, looking on GMC, matching it with website, the products, the business information you have given on the merchant center actually matches with their website or not. That also we looked around. So it's a very thorough review, and there are so many things. I'm just giving you a general example, but like it's just if it's a gray working is not. If I add two products, it's not working. If I add multiple products, it's not working. Any issues further on, the payment methods you are claiming are actually available in physical or not. That like these two are claiming, but if during checkout they are not available. What's the purpose? The pricing is fine or not? Refund policy page, return policy page, shipment, and also matching it with your Shopify or your WordPress as well. So the shipping needs to be matched with the Shopify or GMC. Okay, so that should also be the part of sorting out these issues. And the website was on Shopify. Just to let you know that we are a Shopify partner company as well. So we looked around all these issues as well. I'm just telling you, the things which we did, and then moving on to the constant communication which we did was, and this was another mail to one of my staff member, and that they said that they is consulted with the wider team and they suggested us to go with the review, and this shows that there are few things which needs attention, needs to be sorted, and then you have to request your review over there. Okay, also the support team is not always right, because our review was got rejected, and they also said that the account remains suspended. We want everyone to have a safe and positive experience when visiting Google, and this was a setback for our audience as well, team as well, and everyone was very discouraged with this as well. And we started support again, and then we looked around this one as well. I'm just going to show you another issue over there. Like now, this was another issue over there, that when they said that I understand your concern about the account suspension due to website needs improvement. At that time, our website went into not approved to limited, and our website was no longer being suspended for misrepresentation, but it was being, suspended for website or online store needs improvement. At that time, what we had to do is we had to thoroughly look on our Shopify website, and I'm going to show you as well on Shopify. So this is the Shopify interface, and we had to look on the theme, we have to look on the apps. Sometimes it's sometimes it's a placeholder issue as well, which can get your GMC suspended. So it's a placeholder issue as well, coding issue on your website. So we had to go thoroughly even on Shopify as well in sorting out the issues, in looking around on the products, in looking around all of the product descriptions, looking at all of the pages, and everything was needed to see it out. Like if there is any out of stock products, sometimes it's an out of stock products, that can cause an issue as well. So we have to be very, very precise in the things, in sorting out each and every aspect over there. So you can see over here that heart of it was the audits remains continuous, with multiple audits going on. Google Map issues, footer issues, shipping policy page, privacy policy page, cookies, emails not working, missing out on fact. Sometimes it's alignment, spacing, grammar errors. So so many issues, alignment of pages, spaces between content, grammar issues. So there are so many issues which I can talk about, and even dead links over there. You can see over here dead links, you can see plagiarism. I'm just giving you an idea of how many issues one we have to see. And again, it's a teamwork, it's not a one day work. If you guys are expecting the shop is going to be restored tomorrow, no, it won't happen like this. You can see that has the plagiarized issues as well. So we were on all of these issues as well. And then you can see that this was another audit which my team did, and what we figured out was that the landing pages again has some footer was missing few things. Shipping policy page has in let me make it bigger so you guys can see it out. This was done by my team. So you can see over here that the shipping page, please add shipping partners on this page, privacy policy, make this clickable, fact page has issues, Shipping policy needs to be in sequence, contact section, pay description is missing, social icons is missing, shopping party detail is missing, refund policy pay description is missing. A lot of things were missing on each of the page, and we thoroughly looked around on all of the things, and like add contact details at announcement bar, add live chat board, testimonials, whatever things could needed to be added. All was being discussed over there as well. So I'm just saying you that this is not an overnight work, and I'm also going to show you that this was one of the dead links because you were here that this was so you can see that we have to look on the codings as well. So you can see we figured out this one not working. You can see that we also looked on Google search console errors, and you can see that we also sorted Google search console errors as well as a part of this as well. So Google search console errors are also the part of this project as well, sorting out all of these things. And then constant support with the Google support is necessary, and then you have to be patient, and with after multiple requests, multiple working around, I suddenly got a good news for one of my staff members. And but before I going to show you the good news, and that is the good news which we got it for. And that you can see that this was which we got manually reported. I appreciate your patience while I discuss this issue with our wider team. I'm happy to let you know that after further review, you have been approved to participate in shopping ads. Review process may take 3 to 5 business days to complete the review. Products that are approved will be eligible to show across Google within 24 hours. Compliance is important for the protection of our users as well as the long-term running of your merchant account. Recommendation: I would like to take this opportunity to provide you with some quick tips for your merchant account. How they suggested few things as well, and but the main thing was that our Google merchant account was restored through the manual support for your Shopify website. So in case if you have any issues, we can help you with the Shopify, we can help you with WordPress or any other platform we have here. Our team has expertise in sorting out. You can hire us through the link in the description. Even if your website is being disapproved for false statement, in case if your Google Ads account is being suspended, we can help you with the Google Ads account suspension. We can even help you in setting up your Google Ads campaign, Google Performance Max campaigns, Google Shopping campaigns. We can help you in a lot of things. Me and my team is over there available in sorting out all of these issues. So yeah, I'm just giving you an idea on sorting out all of these issues. So yeah, this is another successful case study. And if you look around on the account has its approval. And if you look around on the notifications, there are no notifications. And if you look around on products, and if you look around on the products require attention, you may be surprised to see that there are no products that needs to attention. And if you look around on the product section, you can see that all of the products are being in the approved state. So yeah, in case if you need professional help with the Google Merchant Center account disapproval or suspension or even management, we can help you. You can hire us with the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Bye bye.